Hey guys, Kyle here from InvestiShare. I'm just going to go over a recent breakout that we just had on the Bitcoin chart and how we can use it to try to capitalize as much profits as we possibly can. So jumping over to my screen here just so you can see what's going on. So you can see here that we actually already broke out of the uptrending level of support here, and it hit our first target in this green box zone right here that we drew out. And this green box zone basically represents a level of support based on previous price action and volume, and we got in and immediately got bought up from limit orders and it caused a huge spike in the price, and we got right back above this level of support at 28,700. However, we actually are retesting this uptrending level of support and this downtrending level of support right here that you can find on the daily. And if we get the rejection, if you see this candle print the way it is looking right now, you can see there's a lot of a sell pressure off of this candle, and it most likely will cause a further rejection to the downside, and we'll start another downtrend. So there's two potential outcomes that can actually happen here. One is that we actually meet this target to the downside, we break through this level of support right here. And then from here, we'll most likely see this bearish formation turn into a form of double bottom and create a bullish formation that we can trade off that can bring us up to like, $35,000 level. Or we can see this break, the momentum from the break bring us below this downtrending level support right here. And we can actually end up seeing this pennant formation bring us down to potentially 22,000. So if we jump over to the daily chart, you can see what I mean here really quick. We were talking about it yesterday. So if you were to reel the price technical target from this level of support right here to the level of support on the formation, you bring it here. We got a price target of 22,200. So we got to be very careful. We might end up breaking further to the downsides. Just keep your eyes out on that. But this next few hours, depending on how these candles print, pretty much defines where we're going from this point out. If we go over to the DXY, we were talking about this yesterday as well. We just broke below this level of support right here, and we were talking yesterday how it could end up flipping and turning into a level of resistance, and it looks like it has. So that actually is a bullish sign for Bitcoin. So the bullish scenario that I told you, where we might end up creating a form of double bottom, based on what's going on with the DXY, is more likely to happen. So we got to pay attention to this daily chart, see how this candle will close. If it shows that there's a lot of sell pressure, then it will most likely continue to go to the downside. It will break this level of support right here. If we break this level of support, we could end up seeing the US dollar go in a multi-month downtrend, and that could convert into Bitcoin having a multi-month uptrend. So a lot rides on this candle as well. So we got to pay a lot of attention to that. And it's fortunately for those who are part of the InvestiShare group, we're already notified during this breakout when to enter a short. Basically, we all decided to enter a short the moment that Bitcoin broke below 28,700 just to be safe. So we were able to capture this gain right here, which is about right after the moment of the break. It was like a 2.41% gain, assuming you didn't use leverage. You can use, I usually recommend only maximum of like 10x leverage, so maximum of like 24% gain. We were really conservative when we do our signals, so we sometimes don't just enter off a breakout. Sometimes we have to wait for another confirmation, like a break below a certain level of support before we enter our trades. But actually, we have a competition coming out. I can show you something that's really cool that we're working on right now. So we're doing a giveaway. So on the 1st of the next month, we're actually having a 5-day event. And in this 5-day event, we get to actually work with you guys one-on-one, 4 hours a day for 5 days, doing working together one-on-one, doing scalps. You can ask as many questions you want while we're doing it, but basically it's like a $4,000 event, but you guys get a chance to jump in for free. All you got to do is just a couple of the tasks that we have listed here, like subscribe to our channel, join us on Discord, visit us on TikTok and Instagram, and we could add other things in here as well. And referring other people also gets you points as well. So your goal is to get as many points as you can, so you get more entries, so you have a better chance of winning this prize. And in addition to that, we're also giving away 20% off for life coupons to our elite membership, so you can have access to our signals, our community, and all that fun stuff. If you guys have any questions about that, you just let me know. You can reach out to me on the Discord. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, we're also focusing on trying to accumulate as much as we possibly can. I got this chart drawn out for you guys. So while we're inside this little black box or this golden pocket zone, this is basically the time you want to try to accumulate. And while we're outside of it, this is basically the time where you want to begin setting up limits, sell orders to capitalize off of what you've accumulated during the bear market. And I'll do my best to help you guys out with TA today to try to accumulate as much as you possibly can. But basically the goal is, while you're doing your trades, to separate some of your profits into capturing Bitcoin at support levels. Like you don't just buy Bitcoin, you set up limit buy orders at support levels to accumulate at the best possible prices while you're waiting for the bear market to end. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. A lot rides on this next hourly candle and what's going on the DXY and the daily. Just keep a close eye on that, and if you have any questions about that, just let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.